Hi, this is Matt Stegman with Aqueous Solutions LLC, makers of the Geochemist Workbench. Today I'll be giving you an overview of the GWB Dashboard and its features. The dashboard is the first thing that pops up when you open the Geochemist Workbench, either via a shortcut or by using the Start menu. This is the professional version of the GWB. Your dashboard may look slightly different, depending on which version of the GWB you are using. However, they all contain the same features. Any not available to your version will be grayed out. The first thing displayed on the dashboard is the Apps pane. This is where you'll find the plotting, diagramming, and modeling software that comes with your GWB subscription. You can launch any of the applications by clicking on them. The next pane contains information and documentation on ChemPlugin, a software object for building reactive transport simulators. The Docs pane has links to all our user guides. In the Settings pane, you can change the default thermodynamic data used by the software. The Support pane contains helpful links to the Academy, demos and tutorials, the user form, and the main website, among other things. You can also activate or deactivate any of your GWB license here. The Subscription pane displays information about your current GWB subscription. It also contains options for extending or upgrading your current subscription. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description or visit our website at gwb.com to learn more about the Geochemist's Workbench.